All right, guys. Today we are on our way to the boat shop. We're going to go check out an update and progress on Project Warlock. So check it out. All right, guys. So we're doing a little Project Warlock update today. Let me show you a couple things we have going on. All right. So here's our sea decking. This is, I think it's called Storm Gray. It's got this nice texture in it. I've got these panels laid out. I'm just trying to flatten them out. They were in a roll, so I want to get them using the Can-Am. The Can-Am roof is our flat roof, is our floor flattening tool here for our sea deck. We got more stuff showing up, more boxes, terminals, wiring, all kinds of things we're going to be using for the Warlock project. So new stuff's continuing to come in, which is super exciting. All right, guys. So let me tell you what we're going to be doing. So we're going to head over to Martinez this morning, and we're going to take a look at some of the progress on Project Warlock. So in the first video, which I'll put a link to down below if you want to see how this all started, we dropped the Warlock off at Martinez just to get the gel coat work done on the keel and put a keel guard on it just to protect it. You know, I kind of made a comment in the video. It's like, oh, you know, wish we were doing interior, not yet. Well, we're doing some interior. Now, we're not going to do the whole interior on the boat because it's not in too bad a shape. And we're very limited in time before our summer season for boating season and river season starts. So here's what we decided to do. We're going to put some brand new seats in it. We're actually using Eddie's #2 seats, which are what you see in a lot of the big, really cool powerboats. More of an upright seat. We're getting rid of those bulky bolsters that were in there. We are also doing a brand new engine cover. It had hydro turf that was really worn out on the old engine cover. It was just peeling apart. It was just worn out from the sun. So we were going to go ahead and just put some vinyl on it. When we investigated, the engine cover was kind of rotted in bad shape. So we're like, hey, let's do a whole new engine cover. We can do some cool, more updated headrests. So we're going to do this kind of modified interior where we're putting new seats, new engine cover, new headrests. And we're also going to change out the center of the back bench, but the rest of the interior we're going to leave alone. But we're going to kind of tie some things in to make it look updated, but not have to redo the whole thing. So we're going to head over there and do a foam fitting where we're basically going to just sit on the seats, make sure we like the way the layout is and everything before they get into vinyl. And then hopefully this is going to be done here pretty quickly because, again, like I showed you a second ago, we got a lot of things here that we need to install on the Warlock and get it ready for our first trip. So let's head over to Martinez. Let's take a look at what they've done so far. I know they got a lot of woodworking done, so I'm excited to see that. And we'll go from there, get a little update. All right, guys, so we're doing our foam fitting. We got the seats in here. These are not actually my seats. My seats are using a narrower base, so we're going to get rid of some material here, which is going to give us a bigger walkway, which is cool. We're basically sitting foam for height. He had some foam here we put in the back to check the back. So when we do these foam fittings, before you put vinyl on it, you want to make sure the thing fits just perfect. Everything lines up. We're going to remove some material here so that the stereo's not in the way. And then we got our headrests back here. New headrests. Going to give it an updated look. We're actually going to replace this guy as well. So that was something we didn't plan on, but we're going to get rid of this. So we're going to tie it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep using the bottom of the seat and the sides. We're going to kind of freshen some things up. I'd like to next season tackle these side panels, but they're in good enough shape for right now. But it's going to look really good. We'll have some storage back here, lots of room. So the seats are coming along really, really nice. And then once they're all cut out or vinyled and done, I'm going to be able to position, move them around, and find what I like as far as position. So some serious progress over here. So it's going to look really good when it's all done. So that's pretty much it, guys. We got our foam fitting done. So they're going to finish building up the seats in vinyl, and they're going to tackle the gel coat on the keel. And we'll be back to pick this guy up here soon. And then we're going to tackle flooring. We're going to redo some stereo stuff, redo some wiring, and we'll show you that. We're going to get Project Warlock ready for the first trip, which is just a few weeks away. So we're going to have to hustle. But so far, looking good. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our update. Thanks for watching. For those of you who have subscribed, we really appreciate it. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. See you soon.